สวัสดีครับผู้ชมทุกท่านยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่บริการของผมวันนี้ในวิดีโอนี้ก็อยากจะเล่าให้คนฟังหน่อยนะครับว่าบทเรียนที่สร้างมาใหม่นี้เนี่ยมันเกี่ยวกับอะไรนะฮะ Hello and welcome to the introductory video of 5 words a day program. In this very short video, I would like to tell you a little bit about what this course provides and what it is good for. Within this course, what you will learn is each lesson will bring you 5 new words that you have to learn, memorize, and then later on hopefully be able to apply in everyday language. So 5 new words each lesson. And the words or the lessons are building on each other. You will also learn how to apply the learned words within sentences, so you will be able to use them whenever you are talking in Thai later on. Through the building up of each lesson from one to the next, you will also have a constant repetition of the old words, so you will not forget the old words and you will always have a way to re-memorize them in a sort of way. What's also very fundamental about this lesson is that all the lessons that are combined within this very program, which is called 5 Words a Day program, they will build up to an amount of about 150 to 200 most commonly used words in Thai language today. So it will provide a solid basis for you for later on for conversation in Thai that you can basically tear from. What's required from your side is only that you are able to read and write Thai language. If you cannot do that already, then I would like to refer you to my online freely available course, Read and Write Thai on YouTube. That is, as I said, freely available, all the lessons, and you can prepare yourself there to come back to this course. For you to get an idea of what it's about, I have an example lesson of day 1, for instance, here. So on the first lesson, which doesn't have to be each day, of course, even though it's called 5 words a day, you can also do it in your own speed. You can do it once a week, once a month, however you prefer. So on the first day lesson, you will learn 5 words that are then, first of all, memorized. And as soon as you have that, you can then go on with the lesson, and the words you learn will be combined to different sentences that make sense, of course. And that way you already learn a little bit intuitively about the structure of the language. And then on the next day or next lesson, of course you will have the 5 words from the previous lesson that you already learned, and then you will learn 5 new words that will come in days 2 lessons. And with these 5 new words and the 5 old words, you will then again have examples of how to combine these 2 sentences, and now you will mix up the lessons in order to repeat the old words and already include the new ones. And again, there will be plenty of examples of sentences, and that way you more intuitively learn how to get into the use of Thai language. The last thing I would like to mention is that this might be a lesson that is particularly interesting for you if you are more kind of person who learns rather intuitively or by just using examples rather than going through the theory and from there come to the actual language. So it's kind of like more adapted to people who really enjoy learning with examples only and try to just intuitively gather and grasp the rules and how the language works. Thank you so much for liking this program. Thank you for taking my lessons and thank you for sharing. ขอบคุณมากครับสำหรับใช้บริการของผมนะฮะแล้วเจอกันในบทแรกนะฮะสวัสดีครับ